Today, take a look at the Inflator pump. So you do have instructions. Comes with a carrying pouch. That is pretty unique. So this is actually clear plastic so you can see the circuit board underneath. And that isn't just some kind of a picture, that is actually the legit circuit board. A little bit more there on the top. Then on the back it gives you some examples of tire pressures. Oh, that's cool. So we got a little window so you can see the gears spinning on the pump. Then on the top we got a light, we got a USB-A port, we got a USB-C port, and we got the pump port. So we got a charging cable, it's USB-A to USB-C. We got some nozzle adapters, and we got a couple extra fuses. We have a car adapter, so if you want to charge this thing using your car outlet, you can do that. And we have our main pump hose, and it is fully braided. I also like that this is the lever lock style instead of the spin-on style. Spin-on style can be useful if you ever need to go inside of a tight clearance area, but this one most of the time is what I prefer. So, turn it on. So on the top right, we have the light, so we can use that to read the numbers on the sides of tires at night if we have to. And of course, we have a flash. If we hit R, that'll change from a car to a motorcycle to a bicycle, basketball. It's like an inflatable, and then back to a car. This is showing the current output. This is showing where it will inflate to. Now, if you want to change that, press and hold R. Now we're in PSI, kPa, kilograms per square centimeter, and back to bar. I personally prefer PSI, so I'm going to leave it right there. I want to change a bicycle, and we got minus and plus. I'm going to subtract. I want mine to go to 30 PSI. So you can get a very fine adjustment, but it does take a while to actually get it to go anywhere. Okay, 30 PSI. And if we quickly press power, that'll turn it on. I like that it's actually pretty quiet too. Okay, so it does remember bicycle, but it does not remember 30 PSI, so we are going to have to change that each time that we turn it on. Cool. So it does shut off on its own. We do not have to babysit it. So yeah, that thing's pretty awesome. I mean, it's nice and small. Like, this thing is smaller than my hand, so if you want to carry this with your bicycle, you can actually do that nice and quiet, so it's not going to blow my ears out in this garage, and it gets the job done. So I'm happy with that.